Hi, these are the trades that I make daily, and these should not be considered as a financial advice. Today I'm on a loss on 1.95 percentage, $75 loss. So today at market open, I had two Tesla put options, and both went on a loss. Yeah, yesterday's Tesla put option, it was around $3.80 or something, and I sold it around 232. So after Fed announcement, market went up and stock uh, put option went down like 464, like 232 for one option. So I have lost some amount of money during that time. I closed my positions and opened a new two debit spreads. Debit calendar spreads on the call side and the put side. So I hedged it. So there was a huge movement. So if you see on the call side, I bought it for an average cost of 280. So after the market went up, I bought it, like I bought six options, six debit options, and yeah, that is for Tesla, and it is like 9 December is the sell option, and the 23rd December is the buy option. So it's a debit of 280 and six quantity of 280. So for currently it's on a profit of 480. So the cost was 1680 at that time when I bought it. Now the market value is 2160. Yeah, similarly on the put side, I lost it like 280, the same 280 average cost I bought it, and the cost was 1680. I had six, and currently the market value for that one is 1470. So I'm on a loss of 210, but overall I'm on a profit of 270. So that made up the loss that I had during the two naked puts. So that is the issue with the naked puts. If you keep holding the naked puts, if the market is going opposite to what you have done, what you have expected, you will be on a huge loss. So have two hedge positions, and currently what I am holding is like 360 and 245, and hopefully tomorrow I can close both these options together with some profit. May not be 270 currently, but it might be less because I would try to close it together. And overall, you see it's a 52 percentage profit, 1304 today.